Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from Michael Kors. I found a bag that I liked, picked it up, and here it is. Finally, I'm having the time to unbox it. This one, I actually already have. So this is a second bag in this kind because I really liked that bag. I want to say that the other one that I have is the size smaller, I think. Looking at it right now, I don't think that it is. I think that it was supposed to be, so either I was wrong or it's wrong on the website. I'm not sure. All I know is that I really love this bag, and the other one that I have is in like a brighter color, so I decided to go ahead and get one in black. You can see there. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This is the Carine bag. If you remember, the other one that I have is in, like, I think it's grapefruit. I think that's what the color is, grapefruit. And I have just always loved that bag. I think it's super cute. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna get just a regular black bag. And I'm glad that I did. It said on their website that this one was supposed to be not the size that I had before. And I thought that I compared the sizes, but I may have been wrong. She is nicely stuffed. One thing to note is there is no dust bag. So this is the medium TZ satchel. I think that's what it says in Carine. One thing that I can already see that is different, I think, is the strap. It's been a while since I've carried my other Carine, but if I'm not mistaken, the other one has a thicker shoulder, like crossbody strap. Let me get this undone here. Yeah, I do remember that the other one has a thick, like it's probably about that wide of a strap. So interesting. This might be like a new edition of it, but same bag as far as I can remember. There's a little front pocket right here. That's big enough for, you know, maybe your keys. If you have like a little card key case type of thing, let's see. Yeah, that fits in there perfectly in there. And then the back pocket, honestly, it will fit probably, I'm gonna guess, I'm looking at my phone, I'm gonna guess that it'll fit my phone in there, but it might be kind of bulky with the case on it and my pop socket. So you might put something in there that's maybe flatter, like if you're still wearing a mask or wipes or something like that, I would put in there because it's gonna be flatter. I do love, of course, that it does have that crossbody strap and that it does have the hand carry handles, my favorite. One thing that I really like when brands do this is when they put the crossbody straps on both sides. I despise when they put it like here, like one on this side and then one on this side over on the other side. I just do not like that. Do y'all like that? Like, I don't know. It bugs me, but I am weird. This one is gold hardware. I believe they had some other colors of this. Maybe a pink and maybe like a off-white, but I'm not positive. Very pretty gold hardware. There's a little MK, really pretty. Zipper's great. Michael Kors zippers are always nice. On the inside, there's a zipper pocket right there. And then on the other side, there is one big slip pocket right there. So it's gonna be kind of hard to see because it's all black. Now, I'll put a couple things in here for you just to give you an idea about what fits. I have my Louis Vuitton PM agenda. I'll stick that in there. This is the Patricia Nash. I don't know what it's called, but I just did an unboxing and what fits in this. So I'll link that above. Put that in there. And it's a pretty big wallet. That's like a full-size wallet. A water bottle, little key clay. Put that in there. Like I said, it will fit in the front, in that front zipper pocket, but I'll put it in there for now. This little Coach penny wallet. Well, it's like a coin case type of thing. Put that in there. You can definitely get some more stuff in there, but we'll just put my glasses right there. But it's kind of packed out in there. Of course, you can put a ton of stuff on top, okay? So you can use that space, but it's not a big bag. but it's a nice, I would say like it's a nice compact size of a bag. I'm not mad about the size. I am a little miffed, we'll say miffed about, I believe that maybe it's wrong, like it might be wrong on the website, or I miffed it myself for getting it wrong, but I like this size. There's nothing wrong with that size at all, so I'm not going to return it. I like it. Definitely a nice little everyday bag. I like bags like this that I don't feel like they're like super fancy. Sometimes, you know, we get these bags and they're so pretty, and you know, we want them because they're just gorgeous, but then they just seem so super fancy. My day-to-day life is jeans and a t-shirt or a sweatshirt or a hoodie or something like that. I mean, yes, I go to work, I go into the office really just 2 days a week during school semesters, so I don't get dressed up that often. So for me to have a super duper fancy bag, it just looks kind of silly, you know what I mean? So I just appreciate just a regular everyday bag like this one. I'm perfectly happy with it. I like the black color. You can't go wrong with it. So I would definitely recommend this bag. I will find all of the sizes that I can find. I know that there's a smaller one, like a mini, so it's probably pretty small. And I was thinking there was a large. So I will find those and link everything that I can link down below for you. If you do have any questions about this bag, be sure and let me know. I'm wearing John Renault Rachel in the color 832 if you're interested in that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.